Hello, I'm Lex. Today we're going to start implementing the game, text-based game in Windows Command Prompt using C++. It would be an event-based game, so what we're going to need for that, well, Windows 10, and I use x64 version. JIT for Windows, links would be in the description down below. Visual Studio 2022, this one I use, and Fmod API we will going to use for sound and effects for music in our game. Little bit of music will be nice. Okay, first we are going to actually first we are going to launch our Visual Studio, and we don't need this here, and let's create an empty project for C++ Windows Console empty project. Let's call it, for example, I will call this solution like tutorial 1, and the project just simply game. Maybe you want to call this solution as using the game name or whatever, doesn't matter. Okay, next. So we have created our project for this. Am I recording? Yes, okay. So first, switch to all files, create directory here called src source, and here, no, in source, I mean, we are going to create entry point folder, entry point for our main function. CPP file, let's call it main. Just for now, let's leave it empty, or no, we need to specify something probably. Okay, let's include our stream iostream int main, simple int main, nothing fancy here. And here, just to catch one character or whatever, one enter press, doesn't matter. So what did I done? Okay, what did I do? Maybe doesn't matter. Second folder, PCH, we will call it PCH for our precompiled headers. So precompiled headers, let's create our first PCH, just PCH. What does it matter actually? And PCH CPP, PCH CPP. In our H file, we're going to include Windows, include Windows.h. Here, a section for CPP stuff for C++. Now it's empty, and for Fmod. Here in PCH CPP, we are going to include our PCH.h, and here in properties, we need to specify in precompiled header section that we are going to create our precompiled headers. PCH precompiled headers file. Precompiled header, it doesn't matter. and our precompiled header file. Okay, good. We now have our precompiled header set and ready to go. And here we are going to include this like that, pch.h. And now this is important. So here, not this actually, I mean a little bit later, iostream. So now this is important. In project settings properties, we are going to, in C++ precompiled headers, we are going to use our precompiled headers. And here, we are not just specifying this like that, no. We need to provide the full path related to the working directory, project directory, I don't know how to call it, PCH. So most of our files here we are going to use this, not just PCH. Okay, fine. And now we are going to first, I prefer to remove this x86 and Win32. We don't need this here. We are going to use x64 only. Okay. So the second thing here, we are going to use here project directory, not the solution. Project. Just in case we want to add another project here, maybe we are not going to do this, but a good practice, I guess. Maybe I'm wrong. Okay, platform, we don't need this. We are just use x64. We don't care about this. And here it's our output directory. So let's call it Visual Studio VS output. Here we can check our directory. Okay, it's fine. Copy, paste it here, and here instead of output we type intermediate, probably correct. Okay, fine, apply. Project target name is fine. Standard, we are going to use the 20 standard. So we all set and ready to go here. Project settings are fine right now. But hey, we are going to use fmod actually here. So let's include this. I have already prepared this, it doesn't matter. So I have this somewhere here probably. Okay, fmod. I'm using 2.01.11. Not in newest version, but API core. Here in includes folder, we need this. So let's do this like that to make things obvious. We need to go to our project directory, tutorial, okay. Here in our solution, console quest, yeah, in our, I'll double check this, yes. In our solution folder, we are going to create Lincoln folder. Lincoln. Here we'll put our libraries, headers, all external stuff we are going to use. In our case, just fmod. Lincoln. Wrong one. Okay. Here we are going to create in Lincoln folder for fmod, and we will copy this into include folder, menu folder, include, and here we again create fmod. It might look weird, but we'll see. You will see how it goes later. Why we need this. So here, additionally, we will go into create lib folder for our libraries. We are going to use x64, and here we need all this actually, or not so big. Let's just copy all this for right now. In this case it's okay because it's small. So we now have our include lib. In lib we don't need to create additional fmod folder. Okay, that's fine. Why did we do this? Okay, I'll show you. Here in project properties we are going to specify our, I will double check, okay, our how to call it, in general we are going to add additional include directories. Where are they? Here why it's so small. Here we are going to add like that solution directories, solution dir, here Lincoln, and here fmod include. Okay, that should be enough. Let's press apply for all configurations. Remember that. That's important. Okay, here in linker, in general, we are going to specify our additional library directories. Same as before. Solution directory, Lincoln, fmod lib. Okay, we're good now, almost. So here, I'll hit apply. We need to specify separately for debug and release which library we are going to use. So how does it, like fmod vs l, no, lib fmod l. Whoa. Okay, fmod l. It's probably not, let's double check this, not right here, not right here. In lib vc, these libraries we are going to use. DLLs we are going to put into the output folder later. VC, yes, VC, okay. VC, yeah, fine. And we can just copy this, paste it here, but remove this L for release. Okay, fine. Switch back to the old configurations. Okay, we almost done here. The last thing we are going to include our fmod. Fmod. I probably did something wrong here. Well, let's find. Actually, I have messed these things up. Instead of include, I just have written the include. Okay. Wow, what am I doing? Here, double check this. It should be include folder. So now when I type fmod, we can see this folder fmod. And here we need fmod hvp file. Okay, we are done with fmod. So now we have our project set. We can launch this. It's fine. It's supposed to be like that. Hit enter. Code 0. Okay, it's fine. So next time we are going to start implementing our first class. See you next time.